Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to save files over than 2 gigabytes in Telegram. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. And if you find this video helpful, do not forget to subscribe and leave a like. And now let's start our tutorial. So simply all you will be needing to do is to start splitting your files into parts or into smaller parts and you will be able to send them over Telegram. So we can use either SetZip or WinRAR or either any archiving or compressing software, and after that you will be able to go to your uh, simply your folder or your file or anything. Then you can go to WinRAR. In my case I have WinRAR, and here I'm just going to click on add to archive, and after that I will be able to have these advanced settings. So from here you can choose any format. It will be the same thing. You can either choose zip or rar. It will be the same. After that, we will want to be able to start having a volume or limiting the volume of each file. And as you can see here in the general, we will find another option that says split to volumes. And here you will choose your maximum volume. Just make it less than 2 gigabytes by a little bit. For example, you can make it 1 gigabyte or anything. And from here, let's just use 1. And from here, you can click on OK. And after that, it will start splitting the file or splitting your folder or anything into parts that are in up to 1 gigabyte in volume, and then you can send them all as a batch into Telegram, and they will be sent one by one. And basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.